Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Thursday the 7th of November 2019, and it's just coming up to 11 AM in Singapore. And this is the daily analysis for spot gold and dollar yen. This is the daily chart for spot gold, and from Tuesday it has already fallen down to hit the 21 Fib retracement level where the support zone is, and yesterday it has managed to retrace back up to the daily 55 EMA area and where the weekly S1 is as well. And you can see that it has actually fallen below the rising trend line that we extended from previous week. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So as the risk on mode in the markets resume, spot gold has fallen on the Tuesday and fell below the rising trend line here, all the way down to hit the low of 1479.40, so just below 1480 where this 21 Fib retracement level is. And since then and through yesterday has been climbing back up to retrace and retested the rising trend line, so there could be a resumption in the bearish bias, so watch out for a trigger to go short, go lower, and it may or may not retest the support or extend further down, but this could be a strong support zone. If it does break the 1480 level, then it could go for the 1475 where this previous swing low is. So you could have multiple lots positions to scale out as you take a bearish move down. Okay, let's move on to dollar yen. And dollar yen, after Tuesday's strong move up as a continuation move on the positive trade talks between US and China, it has climbed back up to retest the right at the apex of the ascending wedge where it fell out from. So this was a really bullish recovery, but then now it has hit that right at the apex at the trend line, just above 109, and fell back yesterday, and now this morning it has continued lower down towards the 10 SMA and the 21 Fib retracement level. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. And it's retesting this previous resistance, then support, and then now, and then resistance, and then support again. So it's threatening to target the 55 period EMA at 108.66 within the zone, and if it does retrace lower, then it's could fall further towards the 108.50 level, and then the weekly pivot at 108.45. So we'll see how much retracement there is. All right, there's on Tuesday night the ISM non-manufacturing PMI was actually better than expected, and that helped to also fuel the Tuesday move and the markets. But now there's no further US news for the rest of this week. So we'll watch for any retracement and whether any uh, bullish continuation move from support. So we'll see where it's able to find support. All right, so do watch out for the next couple of days, and also watch for my other video on Euro, Cable, and Aussie dollar as well. Meanwhile, have a good trading for the rest of a couple of days, and cheers.